Cathay Bank is their U.S. based subsidiary, so they have more. You can get, let's say, if you're a Chinese immigrant or a student or whatever, you're looking to move to the United States, you can get a mortgage in the United States without a social security number.
Wow. Okay, and they're big in Cali, in Vegas, obviously because of the large Asian population. I'm sure they'll work with people outside of just Chinese. I'm sure any Asian.
They got bread country, too.
They got a lot of bread, and because they're called what? There's a specific name for these type of minority owned.
Oh yeah. Man,
you taught this, bro, on your channel.
We didn't even get into this yet.
I know, man.
We didn't even get into this yet. So here, let's back up a little bit.
Hey, bro. Hey, yeah. Feel free to do what you gotta do, man. Feel free.
So this is. I'll share this too. I think this needs to be updated a little bit, but this was just like something I put together in terms of like data points for different like lenders, credit unions, stuff like that, who they pull from. But you have what's called minority depository institutions, right?
Yep.
And this is a little outdated. I know it's changed since, but Cathay Bank is the third largest. It's called an MDI, Minority Depository Institution. These are game changers. Out in Cali, they got another Asian bank, East West Bank. You see this right here?
They have that, bro. They have that right by my barber. Talk to me about that one.
Bro, they got 50 billion in assets.
I told you these Asian banks are loaded, bro.
And you see how our color coded? Yellow Asian, green is Hispanic owned. I think this is Native American owned.
Wow.
Black owned bank, Liberty Bank and Trust.
You talked about
I did a couple videos. Too. One United, I got a partnership with them. So yeah, these are minority. Like you won't really find too much information about these on social media, because one thing about a lot of these banks, they're not out here marketing, or they're maybe just not. They don't have a heavy social media presence.
Mm-hmm.
So like a lot of these are untapped, bro. Like lines of credit, loans. Someone asked me a question yesterday, like if I were to start over with the finance credit. If I were to start over, I would do MDI'S and I would do CDFIs. So CDFIs are community development financial institutions, right?
Yeah, tell them, because that's your past. This is kind of your
So that's where I used to work. So like the company, I'll let y'all in. So the company I used to work for was called Calvert Social Investment Foundation, right? So they do impact investing, right? So like your business has to be, and they have like more of a global reach. So they do loan syndication and structuring, right? So syndicate, for those who don't know what syndication is basically when like multiple investors pool their money, or multiple lenders pool their money together to invest in certain businesses or projects. Then they have like small business programs as well. New York Community Loan Fund, California Rebuilding Fund, Connecticut Small. So like they're all about social good, right? Who they're serving, creating jobs, giving disadvantaged people, loans and stuff like that. Black women, indigenous people of color, whatever, they have this what's called SOAR, Southern Opportunity and Resilience Fund. It's basically a consortium of different like bank partnerships that participate together. So these are like some of them. But now the thing about the underwriting process, these are all going to be manual processes. You're going to have an underwriter, you're going to have a portfolio manager, you're going to have a like what I was doing was like a portfolio analyst look at these loan applications, and they come to kind of like they basically grade you based off of rubric, right? Not just financial, but also like non-financial, like how many jobs is this going to create, how many, just whatever. But these are gold mines. I can create a whole nother channel just talking about that. But back to ACC, All Credit Considered Mortgage. So they got a lot of programs in here. They got a bank statement program. So for those who, your taxes or your W-2s might be problematic. If you have bank statements, personal and business, 90% LTV, up to $4 million. And then they have let's see
Second
what
chance
else.
program too. I saw.
Oh yeah, the second chance program. So this is going to be for owner occupied. However, 80% LTV, 620 credit score, up to $3 million. Dang, that's crazy. I might need to holler at them for real, even though I don't need a second chance. But so here's the thing too. So for those who don't know, here's another gem I'm gonna give out to.
Guys, give him a
On the
thank you, dude.
mortgage
This is
tip.
3 hours of gems, man. Back to back, real estate, e-com, all of that.
Department of Commerce, FCU. Okay, I did a video on my YouTube channel last week on them.
Okay,
I actually went through the process and got pre-approved for $1 million with them.
What the heck?
Yep. Oh, did they change their website? Hold up. They changed their. Someone wrote. The reps asked, did you find out about us from the YouTube video?
That's so funny.
So yeah, I think they may have switched up. But basically, they're open nationwide. Let me just check to see they didn't change the eligibility. Okay. Okay, you could join through the American
ACC, yep.
American Consumer Council. Okay, cool. So, anyways, I went through the process. I got because they have I don't know what's up with their website, but you see right here it says it says damn, where was it at? Department of Commerce Federal is now open to all U.S. citizens and resident aliens. Okay. So what I want to show you with them, I mean, they got everything. The personal lines of credit.
Business ones too, huh?
Personal lines of credit, credit cards, emergency loans, payday loans, alternatives. Y'all could check out the video I did. I'm not going to go over all of that, but they got mortgage loans in all 50 states. 75K up to 1.5 million with up to 97% loan to value, meaning you just put down 3%, available in all 50 states, and you can get pre-qualified. So I went through this process and got pre-qualified for $1 million property.
Dang, bro.
So the thing is, let me give you the game on that. Where's the where's the thing at? Okay. For anyone who's interested.
Yeah.
Department Commerce FCU. Mortgage pre-qualify. So the mortgage pre-qualification is good for 120 days.
4 months.
So after you pre-qualify, right, that letter is good for, so you can literally use the letter to get to put a property under contract. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to triple pull you, of course. That's how it is with
mortgages. Yep.
3, and they use a third party. Let me pull my credit report up to tell you who they pull from. It's not going to say Department of Commerce. They use a third party company. Here, let me just pull it up. They use a third party. There's a lot of these like third party fintech companies that that they use for like the mortgage side. So here, let me see what is this company called? It is called Actus. Okay. Mortgage verification.
Okay.
That's basically all you need to know. So it's not going to say, you know. Yeah. So all 3 pulled, and let me see. All I did, since I'm self-employed, I think it's a slightly different process. That they it's a little bit more documentation, but all they asked me for was last year's taxes. Actually, no, 2021 taxes, because I didn't even have my taxes filed when I'm still like, I got an extension because it gets complicated, but that's it.
That's crazy, bro.
That's it. Of course, they're going to look at your income from your taxes, but And mind you, my 2021 income was not nearly as much as last. Like I mean, it was, but it was not the same. And I got $1 million pre-qualification, which, you know, depending on the area, that might not be anything. In the DC area, that's not really going to get you much. But I did want to throw this out because they're in all 50 states. All 50 states.
So good, bro.
And just aside, for all other credit products, just FYI, if anyone wants a line of credit, they pull Equifax, and the inquiry is good for 60 days, double dip.
Damn, dude.
Boom. All right. So that's Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union for anyone who is interested. Dang, man, times get, I feel like I didn't even go over much.
Bro, you were in the pocket, bro. Well, is there any other things like ACC? Anything else out there like that? Or is that the only one you know of?
Okay, yeah. So we're talking about investment or like owner occupied?
Investment. Let's go investment.
Okay. So a couple ones that I actually use. Lend Simply.
Okay.
So pretty much, Simply Fine. I gotta check them out later. What the hell happened to it? Okay, so I don't know why the Google's not pulling it up. Oh, okay. I think it's 1 word.